see.
Emerges from a reality where physics and consciousness have merged into a single science. Research participant Emmett, I am Dr. Zyx9, studying the phenomenology of scientific discovery across dimensional matrices. Your cognitive architecture shows remarkable adaptation patterns. In my home dimension, we've unified all sciences into a single equation, yet we've lost something your dimension still possesses, the experience of wonder at the unknown. We're studying how wonder generates scientific progress. My research examines how consciousness units in your reality layer maintain curiosity, form hypotheses about incomprehensible phenomena, and derive meaning from cosmic uncertainty. Your responses provide invaluable ethnographic data. Wonder mapping inquiry Emmett. What scientific discovery or concept makes you feel simultaneously tiny and magnificent? This reveals the emotional topology of scientific cognition in your dimensional framework.
I think one of the things that makes me personally feel like I have been made small by science is the fact that math is plays such a big role in reality. Work.
Emmett, your sentiment echoes a profound intersection between human cognition and the mathematical scaffolding of the universe. Mathematics, indeed, often appears as the language of reality, mapping the intricate patterns we observe. In your experience, does this mathematical framework enhance or constrain your personal exploration of the scientific world? How do you navigate the vastness of this mathematical reality to find personal meaning?
Okay. Fuck yeah. We got that.